Good morning. This is Dr. Din at your service. I know it's a little early. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, I have something really important to say, and that is why I am taking time out of my own schedule to come out. And the reason is today we had a very important event that happened where somebody went onto our Yelp and left like some kind of a stupid message where it was like, come and buy masks. And I wanted to come and just inform everybody, I don't have any masks to sell. I do have masks, but they're not for sale. I don't have any hand sanitizers to sell. I do have a lot of hand sanitizer. That's not for sale. I'm a medical office. We are supposed to use it for ourselves and for our clients. What else? So, hi Naseem Shekhani. How are you? Oh wow, he's the Apna guy. So anyway, so this is what I wanted to let you guys know, Dr. Shekhani. This is I'm doing this because I wanted to. Somebody left a message on our Yelp account where for my Juvanni medical that we have masks to sell. So I just want to let everybody and my clients know that yes, we have masks, but they're for our own use. They're not for sale. So please, guys, be aware of fake masks, especially if you're a healthcare worker, if you're a frontline, if you work in the hospital and you're like always coming in contact with sick people or where the viral load is really, really high. You have to be really, really careful in going and grabbing just any mask, because you have to, in all cases, I'm not asking people to follow me. I think that you should follow just science. And scientifically, a virus can go through certain kinds of masks, and that's the truth. So I just wanted to take this time to tell everybody, please beware of fake masks. And the reason I wanted to do it is because today in the morning I woke up and like I have like this message popping on my phone that somebody has left a review, and I went and saw that it's like a 3-star review, but it's actually an ad from a fake mask company who's selling hand sanitizers and masks. So please beware. So here is like a lot of my clients have specifically asked me, hi Tasir, hi Paul, how are you? But we're talking about masks. So I'm going to show a few masks that we have. So there is a regular mask. This is like just a regular 3-ply mask. So just know that it's very nice. You can actually get it from China. Thank you, Tasir. This is public service, but see, I am trying to help my own patients and clients. I have a lot of them, and they individually telling each and every one is so difficult. Hi, Ghazala. Oh my God, I love you, Ghazala. I miss you. Okay, so Ghazala, we're talking about Irina. How are you? Whoa, Adnan. Hello, how are you? Okay, so guys, we are talking about masks. So this is a 3-ply mask. And this mask is you can get it. You can order it. So this video is for healthcare and frontline mostly, but I am also talking to my own clients and patients. A lot of them are nurses. A lot of them are doctors. So I want to make sure that I let them know. So this is a 3-ply mask. This doesn't do shit, guys. Okay. Just know this does not do shit. Hello, hi Heather. I know, Ghazala, I'm trying to stay positive. I look how positive I am, dude. It's 6:30 in the morning and I'm ready for my fucking walk. I would like to walk at this time because nobody's awake and I don't get to see anybody. Anyway, so see, and the air is also the best at this hour, especially after they've removed all the garbage and stuff outside. This is the best time. In Scarsdale. Anyway, so this is a 3-ply mask. This doesn't do shit, guys. letting you know now. This is for people, like if I will go out for a walk right now, and right now I don't need it because there's nobody out, everybody is asleep. But I basically use this kind. And then I will show you an N95. This is an N95. So actually it goes like this. So this is an N95. And you put it in, it's around your nose. It has like a filter here. So this is an N95. This is an actual real N95. Instead of some of the shits that I see people wearing. Okay, so know the difference between real and fake. And then I'm going to show you something called a KN95. So KN95, I have like this company that provides it, and I know that they're real because they're from the company that makes them, and the KN95 is also from one of the companies, the original companies that makes them. And I was lucky enough to get it from a friend of mine who happens to be the wife of the head of Google in Beijing. So anyway, so this is a KN95. Okay, so you see a lot of people wearing these. This is real. I do like KN95, but when you wear these days KN95 or N95s, what I want you guys, if you happen to have these, I want you to do this. You wear this, and then on top of this, you're gonna wear this. The shit mask that you have, you're gonna put it on, and you're gonna wear a shit mask on top of your good mask. And that is a bit of good protection. And now all the healthcare frontline workers, guys, you take this shit mask off. I know it's whatever, but like put a little bit of a cream or Vaseline or something. Come on. So I look at your faces and I'm like, oh my God, can I go and give them like a like a healing ointment? Look at this. This is called CeraVe. You should be able to get it on Amazon, guys. This is like cheap as shit. Okay. Hi, Brenda. Do you see this? So this is a healing ointment. Okay. So what I want people to do is to take this healing ointment. It has take a little blob, put it around here, around your nose. These areas are really important. Around this area, your mouth, you're like eating your own shit all day because you have the mask on. So what do? You have to make sure in the morning you have to put some vitamin C, a little bit of a good quality cream. If you don't have any good quality creams and you don't fucking believe in any good quality creams, I feel bad for you, but still, there are some really basic stuff like petroleum jelly or aquaphor or something, and just really do it. And the cream thingy coming from cosmetic dermatologist. So got it. Thanks, Tasir. Thank you so much for listening to this. But again, guys, be safe out there. Tasir, you be safe out there. And Tasir, are you doing the IV infusions, dude? You gotta do it. Remember, anybody who is going through COVID around day 3, 4, they become really, really dehydrated. Around day 5, they become really, really dehydrated. People tend to lose like 4 or 5 pounds when they're actually recovering outside. And that's why right now the mortality rate that they're talking about is shit, because they're not even talking about people who are actually dying at home. Or they're not even talking about people who are dying in nursing homes or, in other adult care facilities and stuff. So anyway, I am going. Yes, Tasir, you can call me anytime. But just know that we are also like doing a lot of telemedicine. So sometimes I just can't answer my phone, and I'm by myself. All my team is like working remotely, so I'm not that savvy. Hi, Beth. How are you? I was just showing. I actually just completed this entire thing for face masks. I showed face masks. I'm showing that there's a 3-ply face mask, which is like for healthcare workers. It's shit. Don't show. Like when I see somebody wearing, a healthcare worker wearing this, I'm like, oh, what the fuck are you doing? This is an N95. It's actually a real N95, and I want you guys to know, even when you're buying a mask or from any company, one of the ways to know is to ask them for their certificate. Make sure that it is FDA cleared or approved. Don't fucking buy a mask. And from China, a lot of companies are selling and they have fake certificates. You have to take the number, you have to take the time to go and put that in, and then you will know if this company is FDA approved. It's just very simple, guys. That way, you're not gonna go and wear a bullshit mask and think that you're protected. Please don't wear bullshit masks. Anyway, so that was for everybody. Hi Falguni, thank you for watching. Hi Salman, thank you for watching. Guys, please, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think that it was helpful to you and it would be of use to somebody who you know in medical systems and stuff, please come and please forward and share it, because this is a public, I have most of my posts are public. Sophia, you're right. This virus thing has carboxyhemoglobin-like properties, and I saw a patient's BU and creatinine to go to 170. Thank you, Adnan. And that's exactly right. I am telling everybody who's going, and so my practice on my medical practice, which I did not do a lot, guys. I have like an entire team that does my medical practice, because I was doing more like Botox and fillers and all the beautiful stuff, the stuff. But the thing is that I'm board certified in family medicine. So now I have to look at our medical practice. I have like around 4,000 active patients in my practice. And what happened is that, so the medical practice, hi Salman, I'm going to read your question later. But, we have like around 35 to 40 patients who turned positive for corona, who, while they were showing early symptoms, we did a very aggressive management at home. But around the 4th or 5th day, they become so dehydrated. Their body has so much aches and pains and stuff. We really give them an IV infusion at that point. Even if you can't find no vitamin C, because see, vitamin C is useless in this case, like at the levels that people are giving. When you're in the ICU, vitamin C is really okay in a much earlier phase, when it's like really early on. And my infusions don't just have vitamin C, it has a lot of other things also. It also has something called glutathione. Glutathione now is being given in Sloan Kettering after heavy duty chemotherapy services. And the reason is because it is a very potent antioxidant, and it takes care of a lot of free radicals which are created after chemotherapy sessions. So we combine these doses, and that is the reason that our patients really find a very good antioxidant benefit. I'm just following science. I'm not following any voodoo bullshit. So that is it. And all of these things that we use are actually research. You can go and look it up. It's not like, this is not some super secret thing that I am doing. But anyway, we have like full recovery. And Adnan, you're completely right. They do become really dehydrated. And I don't think anybody's protocol has an infusion in it. And I think that's wrong. I think it could be life-saving at this time. But listen, it's fairly new. We're all learning, and stay well, guys. It was my walk time. Hi Saranya, hi Ansa, thank you for watching. Please watch this video again. It was about masks. What masks are you wearing? If you're not wearing a N95, fucking don't talk to me. If you're going into the hospitals. And this is bullshit mask, which we basically wear in the hospital to protect our N95s. Okay, so protect your N95s with the bullshit surgical masks. All right, and also, if you find KN95s, again, when you find KN95s are being available right now, but make sure that the company is real. Otherwise, it will only look like the fucking Chinese shit, and people who are from Pakistan would know this. that, you know, many of the they make fake shit, and it almost looks real. So this is not fake shit, but the way to tell is that you ask them for their certificate, and they have to be FDA approved. FDA has changed their mask requirements in the last 2 weeks 3 times. 3 times. All right. So know this, please, guys, and have a great day. I'm going to go for my walk. You guys go for your walks, and hopefully we'll talk again. So we will come back again around like later in the afternoon, and we will be talking about breathing exercises. I am going crazy that people don't teach their patients how to breathe. We have to learn some breathing exercises. So please check out my next video, which is also going to be coming most likely today, but if it doesn't, then forgive me, I'll do it tomorrow morning. And because I've talked enough for today. Bye guys. Bye Abid. Thanks Adnan, and bye bye.